everyone, how you doing today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for taking a minute and checking out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make easy, low-carb fish sticks and tartar sauce. Now, me and my wife had a great success on the keto diet or low-carb diet last year. But you know what? The holidays came. We kind of said, okay, let's go off it, and we're back on it again. So we're going to show you how to make a really nice fish stick, low carb. The secret is we're going to be using pork rind crumbs instead of regular, breading that's got all the carbs in it. So I got a beautiful piece of cod here, got some lemons, some dill. We're going to mix it with some almond flour that's very low carb, some pickles, mustard, mayonnaise, and a few other ingredients. It's going to be absolutely delicious. And I'm also going to show you how to make that tartar sauce. That's what we're going to do first. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you is how to make that tartar sauce. So get a mixing bowl. We're going to add a ½ cup of mayonnaise. Now make sure you look at the, the carb content. Sometimes you get this low-fat stuff. There's more sugar, corn syrup, stuff like that in there. So I like the real mayonnaise with 0 carbs. Lots of fat,
yes.
but 0 carbs. All right, then we're going to take 3 tablespoons of finely diced dill pickles. We're going to add in there. Need that in tartar sauce. Then I got 1½ tablespoon of fresh dill that I chopped. Now, if you don't have a fresh, you could use, the dry stuff as well. And then next we have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we have 1 teaspoon of mustard, whatever kind of mustard you like. I got the, what is that, a horseradish you said?
Yeah.
Stone ground.
I like horseradish.
Mustard with horseradish.
Yep.
That gives a little zip to it.
Yep.
Then we have a heaping teaspoon of minced garlic. Actually a little bit more because I like garlic. That's always good. And then last but not least, we're going to have a ½ teaspoon of onion powder. And then we're going to stir this real well, and then, taste it, and then if you want, add a little bit of salt and pepper. So we'll kind of stir this around a little bit, kind of show you the consistency, how it should look like. I just wanted to show you how to do this first because it's better if you let it sit in the fridge now and kind of firm up, while you're doing the rest of it. And so that way it'll be the perfect consistency when you're ready to eat. All right, so let me see if I can show you how this looks. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. Give it a little taste. See how it tastes.
Should I?
Yeah, and then you can add, like I said, a little bit of salt and pepper if it needs it.
It's got good flavor.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go put that in the fridge and then show you the rest of the process in just a second. All right, so I have a piece of cod laid out here. We're just gonna season it with some salt and pepper on both sides. And then we're going to cut it into strips. I mean, you don't have to cut it into strips. You can do it fillets, but I think it's easier for the kids to eat if it looks like traditional fish sticks. Yeah, just a little bit of salt and pepper on each side. Alright, once you got it salt and peppered on both sides, we're just going to cut it into strips, probably, I don't know, maybe an inch thick or so. All right, now once you season it, we're just going to slice it into little fish sticks, or what appears to be fish sticks. And you can make them as thick as you want, or as thin as you want. All right, there you go. Be back in a second. All right, beverage review time. I'm having a Samuel Smith Old Brewery Tadcaster Pub Brewed Organic Lager Beer. This is made in England. That's all I know. This is one of the few ones they sell at Sprouts in a big single bottle, so that's what I bought. And this is my son Kyle. Say hi.
Hi.
And he's going to try something new. Hubert's lemonade. He tried one last week. It was what, watermelon? Watermelon lemonade. This one is peach lemonade. And he did like the watermelon lemonade. So that's what he's
I
having.
tried the blue one.
Oh, was it a blue one? Mm-hmm. Oh, let me shake it real good for you because it says shake well.
Yeah.
And you're using your favorite... Ooh.
I got this cup. We went to the spaghetti factory for my birthday, which is like a month ago or something. And I guess it's like their, I was about to say 100th, but then I looked.
What did they have? It was like an Italian ice or something they gave you?
I forgot, but they gave me this cup because it's like the so-and-so anniversary.
Oh, it was their anniversary. That's right.
It was 50th?
Yeah, their 50th anniversary.
No, wait. Yeah.
You like that place? It's a pretty good place if you like pasta. I think they have them all over the country. Don't keep pouring it up. Let's just do...
I'm just pouring it up a little more.
All right.
Oh, jeez.
See, that's why I didn't want you to do that.
Too bad. I'm bored.
Take a little sip now.
Oh, wait.
No, bend down, take a little sip with your mouth. Yeah, you always trying to force so much in there. Okay. All right. All right, as always, guys, I appreciate you watching my video. Cheers. Smells like a regular beer. Little bit of hops. Cheers,
Smells
Tom.
like peach.
Smells like peach. All right. Well, that's good. It's on the light end, but very flavorful. It reminds me a little bit of a German beer. What's the alcohol content? It tastes kind of light, like maybe 5%. 5%. All right, and organic. I mean, maybe that's the trend now. Everybody wants stuff that's organic. How's yours taste?
Not that sweet.
Not that sweet? How do you like it compared to the watermelon? Can you taste the peach pretty prominent?
I gotta admit, if someone that works with this is watching this, you make pretty good lemonade.
And they have all kinds. We got a lot of other flavors that you're going to have to try over the next few videos. This is good. It's very light, very drinkable, but it's definitely got flavor more than your regular domestic. I like it very much. All right, me and Kyle are going to enjoy our drinks here. We'll be back in a second. We'll show you how to get that fish ready to go. We're going to bread it and into the oven. Be back in a little bit. Cheers. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah? Boy, you sure down that in a hurry. Huh? All right, we're going to show you how to make the breading that we're going to coat this fish in. So you're going to start with a mixing bowl, obviously, and you're going to take 1.5 tablespoons of either coconut flour or almond flour. We're using almond flour because that's what we had on hand, but you can use coconut flour as well. And then we're going to try this Porking Good. Here, let's see the container.
Oh, you want to see that?
Yeah. This is Porking Good pork rind crumbs. The original flavor. I guess they got a lot of different flavors, but we're going to use this instead of breadcrumbs. So we're going to use 6 ounces, which is around half that container. And we're just going to mix that all together. I'll leave all the exact measurements below too, so you guys can check it out in the video description. So we're just going to stir that, blend it very well, and then we'll be back in a second, and I'll show you how we're going to bread these and get them in the oven. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees as well. Alright, there you go. We'll be back in a second. Alright, so here we are. We put some of the, I guess, the breading, and then we have on one side, then we have another little container with a couple eggs that we've whipped up. And how much water did you put in there?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of water. And now we're going to take the pieces of the cod and in the egg wash, and then into the breading, and then into a grease cookie sheet lined with foil, and into the oven probably around 15 minutes or so at 400 degrees.
So you just want to make sure you get it really soaked up with breadcrumbs. There you go.
All right, here they are, all breaded, ready to go. Like I said, a greased cookie sheet, you know, and 400 degree oven. 15 minutes. Check them out around 12-13 minutes. Make sure they look okay. So there we go. Just wanted you guys to take a look before they get popped in the oven. We'll be back in a second. All right out of the oven, plated up. We got some zucchini as well, and some of that tartar sauce that we made earlier. That's going to be dinner, but you know, we're going to try a little here on camera for the first time for you guys and see how we like it. But boy, it's looking good. It smells good. Be back in a second. All right, here I am with my wife, Monica.
Hi.
We haven't tried this yet, so...
this looks amazing.
It does look good. Actually, you know what? Let me squeeze a little lemon juice on both of ours, huh?
Yum.
All
That's
right.
good. Oh, wow.
Mmm.
That's good. I wouldn't say it's like fish sticks because it's more like
it's more like a mini fillet or something.
But it's the breading is really good. The flavor is good. Yeah, it's good.
Well, the breading isn't quite as crisp.
No, not like fish sticks,
It's
right?
like a traditional fish stick, but
yeah. But that's processed. I mean, this is like the real deal. This is good. The breading is delicious on there, by the way.
Yeah, it does kind of fool your mind to think you're eating real breading. I can't taste pork rinds, can you?
Not at all. Oh my gosh, that's really good.
Wow, that is good.
Yeah. And the tartar sauce.
Yeah, the tartar sauce is really good. I'm impressed.
Yeah, I am too, actually. Now I probably will never buy like the commercial stuff again.
Yeah, I mean,
this is so good.
If you
it
have
was
the
easy.
time to make it yourself, yeah.
It didn't take that much time. Just a few minutes. So, definitely.
So guys, if you're trying to stay on your keto, low-carb diet, this is a great recipe to try.
And the tartar, even if you're not on keto.
No, you really
No, it's your traditional tartar.
It's very good. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching my video. If you like it, please hit the like button. I'd love it if you would consider subscribing. Hit the thing right below.
Please.
And a link above is to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, we ate it all.
Well, that's good.
Well, we got our plate left.
Yeah.
All right, let's eat. I'm hungry.